Hello and welcome to Spindy's Weekly Linkage. I'm Tilt, a pen spinner from the United States, and I'm a bit of a notation nerd. Every week, a pen spinning linkage is notated in a channel called Weekly Linkage on Spindy's Discord server. I will break down and dissect some of these linkages in the upcoming videos. Please keep in mind, as much of a notation nerd as I am, I still make mistakes, and there are bound to be many if this series continues. If you do notice something wrong with my notation, please let me know so I can improve my notation skills in the future. Now on to the linkage. For future reference, numbers are fingers to represent finger slots. Spindy's Weekly Linkage number 1 starts palm up with a Demon Sonic 3-4 to 1-2. It then transitions to a Sonic from 1-2 to 1-3 and is interrupted by a pass from 1-3 to 3-4. It then finishes with an E-Sonic to 1-2. The linkage looks like this. We're starting off pretty simple. Future linkages will be more complex and challenging to notate. You can have a look at the future linkages in the Spindy's Discord server. The link will be in the description. If you like this kind of content, let me know and I'll be sure to make more. If you dislike this kind of content, let me know why so I can improve as a creator. Thanks for watching. See you next week.